Howie Rodenstein. Welcome to the Israel Ride.
What's really important about the ride, and I think really inspiring, is that it's one of those experiences that lets people have a great time, see Israel in a fresh way, whether they've been here 27 times before or never been here before.
This is my first Israel ride, but my 12th time in Israel. Amazing being able to see and feel Israel in a very different way than any of my other trips.
Hi, I'm Marna Ehrlich. This is my first time on the Israel ride.
This is my maiden voyage, first ride, having a blast.
Sharon Cohen, my third ride.
This is my fifth ride.
It's been a lot of fun. I've met a lot of cool people, and it's a very different way of seeing Israel.
A day in the life in the Israel ride is completely dependent on what sort of rider you are. All of our rides start the day with breakfast, a chance to stretch. We get out early in the morning, we ride and tour whatever your group is offering for that day, and we finish in comfortable, cozy accommodations.
During the course of the week and during the course of the ride, the relationships that are created and the community that's grown there is truly remarkable, and it's people from all over the world.
With the crew and the staff and the other participants, everybody really is holding each other up and making it more than just a ride, but also a community.
It's an amazing experience to just be part of and see this huge group of people who are coming from so many different walks of life, who are all here for the same cause, just traveling en masse. And it could look crazy at times, and it can look amazing at times. And at the end of the day, we all get to where we're going, and everyone's just having a really great time.
This will be the most transformational bike ride you will ever be on, and the only way to see Israel.
The ride supports two great organizations, the Arava Institute for Environmental Studies on Kibbutz Keturah in Israel, and Chazon, the largest Jewish environmental organization in the United States.
We've helped to create one of the scarcest resources in the Middle East, trust. We don't trust each other. And that's what we try and do at the Arava Institute. You really can't live in peace with nature without learning how to live in peace with your neighbor.
The challenge with the environment is that it's an enormous problem. It's an enormous challenge with many, many, many different pieces that need to be worked on. And Chazon has created a world of educational opportunities for people to learn about this in immersive, transformative ways.
The crew, with very few exceptions, are alumni of the Arava Institute. And they come back because of their passion for the work of the Institute, and they know the importance of the ride to funding the work of the Institute, funding scholarships. For the riders who participate, they get to see the crew really as a rolling showcase for a week of a very different perspective.
When you see the unity that they have and the comfort they have with each other and the trust, that shows you the possibility of what this country could be and what this part of the world could be.
The Institute it's a family for me.
Friendships I've made in the Institute are just more profound. Like they have roots. They have something that we share together.
The year I spent in Kibbutz Keturah and the Arava Institute was the best year of my life, I can tell you for sure.
One of the things that makes me most excited about the ride, beyond the work that it does in support of the work of the Arava Institute and Chazon, is the transformational experience it is for a rider. As we make the trip from Jerusalem to Eilat. We ride for 3 days at the beginning, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We spend Shabbat together in Mitzpeh Ramon. And it's amazing to me as a leader on the ride to watch the transformation from Tuesday night, when the group is first getting together in Jerusalem. We get to Mitzpeh Ramon 3 days later, and as the group sits down for Shabbat dinner, you can see that we've made a transition from a group of individuals to a real community.
This ride just puts it all together. The people are great, the food is great, and the whole atmosphere is terrific.
It's a totally feel-good situation.
Anybody around the world, this is an amazing experience, and it's for you.
I can't say enough about this except you need to do this ride.
When we reach Eilat and there's that incredible moment of joy and celebration when they reach the Red Sea and you realize this is worth every moment that we've been working through the year. And it's an incredible thing to be a part of.